Welcome to our animation on the dental implant procedure. In just 1 minute, we'll show you how this remarkable process can restore your smile. The journey begins with a consultation. Your dentist will assess your oral health, take x-rays, and create a personalized treatment plan tailored to your needs. Next, the implant placement. The dentist surgically inserts a titanium post into the jawbone. This acts as a sturdy root for your new tooth. Don't worry, this step is performed under local anesthesia to ensure your comfort. Now, the healing phase. Over the next few months, the implant fuses with the jawbone in a process called osseointegration. This creates a strong foundation for your new tooth. Once healed, an abutment is attached to the implant. This connector piece will hold the new tooth securely in place. Finally, the crown is placed. This custom-made tooth matches the color and shape of your natural teeth, completing your smile transformation. And there you have it! A dental implant procedure can give you back the confidence to smile, eat, and speak comfortably. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more informative videos. Stay tuned for more insights into dental health and procedures.